Hello friends! In the last video I showed you how to make this winter book, and today I am back with another project. This time it's baby keepsake box. This keepsake box has 5 drawers for items such as first pacifier or first pair of socks. It also has one larger drawer where you can store this album. This baby album has 10 pages with plenty of space for the photos from baby's first year. Before I show you this cute box and what's in it, I would like to tell you more about the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can explore new skills or improve the ones you already have. On Skillshare you can find thousands of different classes on topics such as crafts, hand lettering, journaling, home decor, organization and many others. As you could see in my previous video, I created this beautiful sign with the help of Kimberly Schreck's online class called Introduction to a Modern Brush Calligraphy. I've used their tips for drawing the letters and combined them with the embossing technique to create this beautiful metallic look. In Kimberly's class you get to know the basic strokes in calligraphy, how to script the lowercase alphabet and how to connect the letters. You will also get plenty of useful tips such as which brush pen is the best to use for calligraphy. I've been practicing my lettering and I am excited to show you what I've learned so far. You will be able to see it in my next video that is coming out in February. Classes on Skillshare are created specially for learning, which means there are no ads in between the videos. Join millions of creative people for less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. The first 1,000 of you that will use a link in the description below will get a free trial of Skillshare's premium membership. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and now let me show you this huge baby box. The lid of this box is made from chipboard and is covered in artificial material. The top part of the box has 5 drawers, and there is also one larger drawer on the bottom where you can store the bigger album. All sides of this box are decorated with pillow-like elements that are covered in artificial leather.